guys, it's Grishma. इस वीडियो में I will be sharing the lesser known and unique places to see and explore in Mumbai. So let's get started with the list. Raj Bhavan, Mumbai. Raj Bhavan, the governor's office, is also the governor's private residency. And क्या आप जानते हो that it is open for public to visit? Yes, you can go inside the Raj Bhavan and it is a very beautiful place. With Arabian Sea on one side and heritage building with Victorian era architecture on the other. It feels like a travel back in time. It's a guided tour where we get to visit the ballrooms, meeting halls, places where oath ceremony occurs and also the secret bunker. The governor's office is located in Malabar Hills, Mumbai. टूर की शुरुआत होती है अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड द रिपोर्टिंग टाइम इज 5:45 AM एट द एंट्री. सबसे पहले हमें ले जाते हैं सनराइज देखने को दैट कुड बी विटनेस फ्रॉम द प्राइवेट एरिया ऑफ राज भवन बाय द अरेबियन सी. भगवान का भी दर्शन ले सकते हैं एट द सागर माता वालकेश्वर टेम्पल. देन कम्स द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ द टूर, द सीक्रेट बंकर. इसकी खास बात यह है कि ये ब्रिटिशर्स के ज़माने का बंकर है एंड 2016 में ही इसे डिस्कवर किया गया था. इतने साल तक ये बंकर जमीन के नीचे छुपा रहा और किसी को खबर भी नहीं. दिस बंकर इज नाउ गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ हाई-टेक म्यूजियम with virtual reality, projections and more. Then we were taken inside the oath ceremony room, which is marvelous and also has a balcony with the sea as its backdrop, which looks stunning. More areas like the pretty gardens, lawns, ballrooms का भी टूर देते हैं. 1 hour का टूर खत्म होता है having hot चाय और कॉफी from the governor's kitchen at this private area, which is a great experience. टूर के एंड में हमें मुंबई का हिस्ट्री के बारे में भी बताते हैं और भारत का राष्ट्रगीत गाकर इस टूर का लाजवाब एंड होता है. The ticket for the special tour could be booked from the official website of Raj Bhavan and ticket is priced at ₹150. And ये टूर फिलहाल वीकेंड्स पे ही अवेलेबल है. यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इंडिया के बारे में जो जानकारी मिली है इसे सुनकर बहुत ही प्राउड फील हुआ. ओपन एयर बस टूर. Whether you live in Mumbai or you have visited Mumbai or you have never been to Mumbai before, the best way to see all the places, be it the first time or all over again, is through this open air bus ride, which is one of a kind experience. मुंबई में कई सारे डबल डेकर बसेस हैं, बट ऐसे ओपन एयर बस में सफ़र करने का मज़ा ही अलग है. This is the BST bus tour that takes you to the famous and popular places in South Mumbai like the Gateway of India, the Taj Mahal Palace and Tower, Marine Drive, CST station and more. It's a 30 to 45 minutes ride and it is so much fun to see these places on the open air double decker bus. This tour could be booked via Book My Show or the ticket could be taken from the counter located near Colaba Causeway, which is also from where the bus could be boarded. But I would recommend to book the slot online to avoid queues, and also this tour is mostly sold out during the weekends. Once you have the bus ticket booked online, show it at the counter and get the seat number and then board the bus. The seat number is given on first come first basis, so make sure you come on time. But ये एक्सपीरियंस मुंबई में ज़रूर लेना क्योंकि इसका मज़ा अलग ही है. BMC ऑफिस CST. हम सब ने मुंबई का आइकॉनिक CST स्टेशन तो देखा ही होगा एंड कईयों ने यहाँ से ट्रेन भी पकड़ा होगा. और यही बिल्डिंग के बाजू में है BMC ऑफिस विच स्टैंड्स टॉल सिंस 100 years. इस बिल्डिंग को अक्सर बाहर से ही देखा होगा, पर अभी ये बिल्डिंग के अंदर जाने के लिए पब्लिक को अलाउड है. इस हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग का भी एक गाइडेड टूर है फॉर 1 hour in which they take you inside this building, show the marvelous halls and the rooms, fascinating architecture which is an example for classic Gothic revival architecture, and take you to the time of Mumbai when it was known as Bombay. The entry lobby is grand and the tour starts at a high note. The rich design will make you admire the architecture, and mind you, this was all built and designed 100 years ago. Here you can also witness the halls, the meeting rooms, and can also sit and experience all these, which is like a very different feeling. You might have watched this place on TV while the meetings happened here, and now you get to be here, which feels amazing. यहाँ की बालकनी से मुंबई को एक अलग नज़रिए से भी देखने को मिलता है. Lastly, टूर की एंड जैसे शुरुआत हुई थी वैसे ही हाई नोट पे होती है. That is at the top floor of the building, which is at the dome. the splendid work of art and design will stun you with its grandeur. This tour is conducted by Khaki Tours and could be booked via Book My Show. The ticket price is Rs 350 and currently this tour is only available on the weekends. There are a couple of slots but they are always fast filling since the group count is less, so make sure that you book the slot well in advance. Mumbai Film City. Mumbai ka Film City is like a gateway to the filmy sitaron ki duniya, and you can live this dream in this filmy tour of the Film City. टूर की शुरुआत होती है inside the guided bus ride wherein they show the movie and TV sets and shoot locations, which is 1.5 hours का टूर. दूर से ही दिखाते हैं, पर अगर कोई रोड पे शूट या सेट के बाहर शूटिंग होती है वो देखने का भी मौका यहाँ पे मिलता है. दैट इज इफ यू गेट लकी. हो सके तो ड्राइवर की साइड वाला सीट लेना क्योंकि ज़्यादातर सेट्स वगैरह वही साइड पे दिखाई देते हैं. After the bus tour, the tour now lands to the Bollywood Park, which is a highlight of the tour. The whole place is like a beautiful set. जिधर देखो वहाँ photo backdrops है, lot of places to take photos as well. Inside this park, you will get to know and understand the filmmaking process, the way audio and sound is recorded, the magic of green screen, and the technicalities of filmmaking, which is so fascinating. The whole area is free to roam and explore and काफी मस्त जगह है. The tour then ends with a live performance show that happens inside the Bollywood Park, and this was the best part. Dances, acts, song, and the whole experience was amazing and totally worth it. The tickets for the Film City could be booked online via Book My Show, and the ticket cost is Rs 999. Also, the ticket is available at the Film City entry, but to avoid queue and being sold out, I would recommend to book online. The tour takes 3 to 4 hours to complete and it is full on paisa vasool. So these were the 4 unique places to see and explore in Mumbai. ये सारे places के individual videos भी channel पे है to give you more in-depth information and details of these places. All of the videos would be linked in the description down below, so do check it out. There might be so many more places that are yet to be discovered in Mumbai, so if you have any suggestions or recommendation, leave it in the comments down below. I would love to share my experience on those places as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is me Grishma signing off. Until I meet you again in a new place in a new city.